For more than 4 years, I have been building something different. Not just another app, not just another assistant, not just another dashboard. I have been building AegisOS with Domonique 2.0, a sovereign, AI-powered operating environment designed around one central belief: the user should remain in control. In a world where so much software is cloud-dependent, subscription-locked, data-hungry, and disconnected from the people who actually use it, AegisOS is being built with a different mindset: local first, owner-governed, transparent, auditable, and secure by design. And at the center of it is Domonique 2.0. Domonique is not just a voice assistant. She is the intelligence layer of the system. She is designed to help guide workflows, protect user intent, organize information, trigger actions, support decision-making, and communicate across the MediSyncD ecosystem. But more importantly, Domonique is being built to operate inside a protected environment, not as a random chatbot floating in the cloud, but as a trusted assistant inside a system with boundaries, permissions, memory controls, audit trails, and owner authority. That is what makes AegisOS different. AegisOS is being designed as a computing foundation where every action matters. When something runs, it should be clear. When something changes, it should be recorded. When something accesses data, it should have permission. When something fails, the system should know how to protect itself. This is not just about convenience. This is about trust. For Linux users, developers, builders, and open-source-minded people, this project is especially important to me. Because Linux represents freedom. Linux represents control. Linux represents the belief that users should understand and shape the systems they depend on. That spirit is deeply connected to AegisOS. The goal is to create an installable, cross-platform class operating environment that can run across Windows, macOS, and Linux-style systems while continuing to mature toward deeper native services over time. AegisOS is being built to include secure boot-style validation, encrypted local vaults, command routing, safe execution boundaries, evidence logs, protected assistant actions, and a structured foundation for future AI-driven computing. Domonique 2.0 adds the human layer. She can speak, she can guide, she can remember within boundaries. She can assist without taking ownership away from the user. That is the point. This system is not being built to replace people. It is being built to protect people, empower people, and give people a smarter way to interact with their technology. AegisOS also connects to the larger MediSyncD Technologies vision: CareQD, MediSyncD, CareShiftD, pre-care mesh, clinical training systems, healthcare workflow tools, and resident safety platforms. All of these products need a secure foundation. AegisOS with Domonique 2.0 is that foundation. It is the protected layer underneath the mission. And yes, this has taken time. More than 4 years of building, more than 4 years of learning, more than 4 years of testing ideas, rebuilding systems, changing direction, and refusing to give up. I am still working on it. I am still refining it. I am still hardening the architecture. But it is getting close. And before the full release, I want the public to understand what is coming. This is not just software. This is a statement. AegisOS is about ownership. Domonique 2.0 is about intelligent assistance with boundaries. And together, they represent the next step in the MediSyncD Technologies ecosystem. To the Linux community, builders, developers, healthcare innovators, and everyone who believes technology should serve people instead of controlling them, I built this with you in mind. AegisOS with Domonique 2.0 is almost here, 4 years in the making. And this is only the beginning.